Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What all's in here?
4 ZB315s.
To the house I go.
And same old Synergy amp.
6th order?
Yeah, 6.
Oh, that's clean.
Well, it was getting there, but fucking ran out of time.
What's your tunings? You don't know your 6th order
I
tunings?
don't remember. I honestly do not remember.
What's it wired to?
Half ohm.
Where's your batteries? Underneath?
Underneath there, yeah. No lithium because I'm poor.
What is it? Group 31s, Group 34s?
A couple of everything.
Everything?
Go team! I don't even know what I'm doing. But no, it's all.
Alright.
That still sounds good.
Yeah,
I went out there and met a couple buddies of mine that I work with.
You're a lot better with words though.
Oh, yeah.
And as soon as I got out there and I cranked on it, ripped. Here come 3 cops. I said, well, this is over. And the cops even told everybody. Because it was closed down. Nope. They went somewhere else. And the cops were there before they even got there. I'm like, you guys don't understand. You can't outrun the radio. So I don't know where they are now.
You down for the moment?
Yeah, man.
What happened? Just all of a sudden just shut off?
Yeah, I just tried to listen to it. It wasn't working. They were working when I was over there, but I don't know. There's no telling.
Because I live in Georgia.
No, that shit's hood.
Yeah.
You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Metro though, just one of shit. Hey! Raindrops. Rich nigga. Like Alpha Tower, I told her, bitch, you know she's good. She don't wanna be a freak no more. So please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a PlayStation. Please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a PlayStation. This shit told me. bad and kept on driving her crazy. She wondering how she gon' take care of the baby.
Brutal.
I want somebody to be impressed.
Your tune's low.
None of my fucking shit, so.
You're definitely
All my
tuned low,
drums
man. You gotta be tuned to like 24 or 25 hertz in that back. You don't know?
I don't remember. I honestly don't. Hunter Martin designed it. Okay. But I don't remember where it was at. It's got a good bandwidth.
Yes,
You know what I mean?
yeah. That's 6 orders for you.
I mean, it's a daily driver. I didn't want just the burp part, you know?
Yeah, I understand.
Fuck. Yes.
Yeah.
My ears.
How many alternators?
Just one, 300.
300?
I got the bracket at the house though for 2 more.
Okay.
That's that. Still got it all there.
So what was wrong with your amp?
Uses low.
Fuse?
Stupid fuse.
Good to know fuse life.
I am.
Oh, you are?
It's the fuses that are on the mid damp.
Oh, yeah. You can't do nothing about those.
I can do something.
Yeah. You could do the paperclip trick. The paperclip trick.
Something. I don't know if paperclip's big enough. I'm gonna blow that.
Yeah. I've seen someone do like 8-gauge wire.
Yeah.
Rig it up.
Put a piece of metal to put in there.
Yeah.
Like a fender washer.
Appreciate it, man.
Can rap, you know what I'm saying? Like, look, I'm a man, bro. I don't really care what the fuck you think. Stay rapping, but I'm all that good. All my shit, I hold that blood, and they hold that in the phone, take it, go that cowboy, Jerry Jones, shit, that word, put that girl, got in it, cut the turns, missing perf is hit.
Thermal. Uh-oh, thermal heat. Somebody got something on us on video.
Too many demos. Did you get my titty on video?
I don't know, but I'll have to edit it out.
Oh no, I'm gonna get him to get
Thermal.
my titty on video.
Uh-oh, thermal heat. Somebody got something on us on video.
Too many
Did you
demos.
get my titty on video?
I don't know, but I'll have to edit it out.
Now you gotta edit it out.
Oh no, I'm a guy. It's
Yeah, but
okay to
nobody-
show
that woman
mine.
has a hairy ass titty.
Done got it.
Something happened?
Get in your truck.
That ain't that hot.
Did you say it was a car, or are you talking about that
Car. No, the cruise, they did it, I guess, in the port, right there by the
They
port.
probably did it in the port.
167 something.
Yeah. Port don't count.
They can't count port in the same class.
Yeah.
Nah, it's gotta be a different something.
Yeah.
That's the last time I saw him.
What, a year and a half?
Yeah, it's been a long
Has it been that long?
Look at the
Yeah.
back room, man. You got a lot more room.
Yeah.
You're like a mid B pillar. Oh, you get about
It
a
is.
foot.
About it.
Yeah.
Because it's a daily driver, you know what
Yeah,
I mean?
you need the room.
That's pretty much why I did that. Shouldn't even fucked up.
Yeah.
Shut up, little boy. Hey, he wants to get with you to do a video on your truck.
Okay, $5. Just kidding.
That's stupid. My mids ain't working.
What?
My mids ain't working. Might not get a demo for it. I might have a long ride home.
Dude, he is a shitty husband.
We could give you a demo with no mids.
Give you that
We could do that if it don't work now. I don't know why the fuck they're not working.
I'll probably sit down and just
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Droppin' Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.